In troubled times, Isaiah rose as hopeful prophet, speaking truths that inspired courage and faith throughout Jerusalem. His words spoke of justice, peace, and a brighter future, urging people to live with kindness and hope renewed. Isaiah's prophecies, recorded in sacred scrolls, foretold a coming Savior who would bring salvation and light. If you love Isaiah's story, give me a like and subscribe for more inspiring tales and hope-filled journeys. Isaiah's message still echoes today, reminding us to hold on to hope amid challenges and strive for peace. Through Isaiah, hope was gifted to generations, a beacon guiding souls toward a future bright with promise.